Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Arianna, and for those of you that aren't, welcome back. So nice to have you all here. Today we have a very special unboxing because it's actually my first exclusive access that I was ever offered on sneakers, and it was for the Off-White Nike Dunk collaboration 1 of 50. So I don't know which one I got. If you guys aren't familiar with the 1 of 50, they offered exclusive access over the period of several days. I think it was a week. Maybe it's more than a week now, maybe 10 days. I'll have to put it on the screen here because I'm not quite sure how long it lasted. And basically, if you got exclusive access, you were able to purchase the shoe, but they would not tell you exactly what shoe you were getting until you open it up. So very exciting. We're gonna figure out exactly which one I got. I know that the first lot and the 50th lot are the most special. The first one is white with a butter midsole and a silver swoosh. And then the lot 50 is an all black dunk. So I'm very excited to open this up. I'm very excited to get into it. I'm gonna tell you guys how I got offered exclusive access, what I did. I don't know if that works for everyone, but I can just give you what I did so that if maybe that works, you guys can try it out because, you know, it can never hurt. Who knows? So with that being said, and if you're new and you want to become a part of my family, please hit that subscribe button down below. I would really love to have you here. And if you guys find this video informative and you like it, please give it a big thumbs up as it really does help me out. So let us unbox this because I just can't wait to see. I'm so excited. I feel like it's going to be like a weird lot number. Guess down below which one you guys think I got. I think it was day 3 that I got exclusive access. Yeah, I think it was. Hang on, let me check. I was offered exclusive access on August 10th. So whatever day that was, I'll put it on the screen of when they started doing that. That's when I got exclusive access and I immediately bought it. It went out at noon Eastern Standard Time. I happened to be on my phone at the time and I got it and I was very excited about it. So let me stop talking and get into this package. Okay. Oh my god, that's so scary. Okay, so I can see the lot number. So this is the box. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm gonna put up close. It's my lucky number though. That's so weird. It's lot number 13. I got this in a men's 7 and a women's 8.5, which is my true Nike Dunk size. I'm so excited. I've never had an off-white shoe before. So this is like a moment. Okay, so the box is really, really cool. Definitely Off-White-esque. It says Team Nike Sportswear, location Beaverton, Oregon, style number DJ095/DM1602, season fall of 2021, and TC code is N2.
I don't know what any of that means, but it means something.
Oh, and the color is Sail Neutral Gray Habanero Red.
Voila.
I don't know. I can't pronounce things. These also retailed for $150. Oh my god, I'm freaking out. You guys see the paper? I got the suede pair! Oh my gosh! Oh my... Guys, I don't know if you can see this. If it's blown out, I'm gonna literally cry. I can't tell. I'm gonna go fix my camera. Okay. You guys can see? Can you guys see the suede? Look at the suede. Oh my gosh, look at that. And it has the silver writing there. I have the habanero red going through. It says shoelace. I have the blue tag. The lip is this like really bright blue, deconstructed, and it has a hole in it. And right here it says 13 of 50, which this is actually my lucky number. I'm sure I've said it 15 times now, but wow. And the shoelaces, the off-white shoelaces that we all are so familiar with. But yeah, oh, hang on, let me show you guys the other one. Oh my god. I am so excited. I really wanted the suede, and my friend Kevin, who's definitely watching this, he was like, I really hope you get the suede. And we did. It says, oh, this is so cool. I'm obsessed. I've never had an off-white shoe, so this is really like a very special moment. The other one, the exact same. Is this orange? It looks almost like an orange, honestly, the red. It's a very like orangey tone. So for the lot 13 of 50, it is a fully suede toe cap, swoosh, heel tab, mid of the shoe, and where the laces are, all this really nice light gray suede. You have a crinkled leather, like a tumbled leather on the toe box, mid, and like this back part of the shoe. The tongue is a nylon almost blue, deconstructed. You have the red, orangey red, lace running through, cream, I would say, white laces for the lace, green tab for the number, black Nike logo on the back, and then you have the off-white Nike logo in silver on the mid of the shoe. And then you have another, it says some numbers, like a QR code, like a SKU on the other side in silver. And then you have an orange contrast little like post-it note on the side. So yes, this is it. And then the sole of the shoe is also a dove gray. Midsole is a like weathered sail. It looks like almost buttery. I will be putting up close pictures of, or video of this, and I will be trying them on for on feet for you guys to take a look at it. I am so excited about these. I really am glad I got this. I'm kind of shook that it's my lucky number lot. That is very weird. I got very lucky with this, so I'm very happy. Let me know if you guys hit on these. I don't know if it's done yet. It might still be going on. I have to double check. I didn't keep up too much with exactly how many days it was going on for, and I don't think that they were really forward with how long it was going to be. I know that this was a very different release for them, considering the Travis Scott release was so no other way to put it. The Travis Scott release was so bad. I was still very upset about that, and I had very minimal hope for this, but I guess this is proof to keep holding out because it is possible to get a pair. So yeah, I'm really excited. Let me know what you guys think of these. What was your favorite lot number? What was your favorite version of these? Let me know down below. Lot 1 is like crazy. I've seen a couple people who have lot 1, and that is wild shoe. Let me know if you guys hit on it. Let me know what you guys think about it. And with that being said, let us go into the on feet and up close.
Where my friends go, it was simple. When the end's low, switch the tempo. I got right, I got heart, I won't die, I'ma fight. I go down, bet I strike. I go hard day and night, yeah. I go hard day and night. 1 to 1, no surprise. See the hate in their eyes. My brothers blood money bleed. I got the game in the squeeze. What would you do for some green? What would you do for some blues? Go pick and choose, the fam of the cheese. Some people not built like that. Some people get killed like that. Pressure like water, lights, mortgage. I been at bills like that. Now I got kids like that. No wonder why I feel like that. Some people go to war for nothing. Me, I go to war for some. Some people need knives and guns. Same ones just talk and run. Some people go to war for none. Me, I go to war for some. Some people need knives and guns. Same ones just talk and run. Where my friends go, it was simple. When the end's low, switch the tempo. I got right, I got heart, I won't die, I'ma fight. I go down, bet I strike. I go hard day and night. On the line, keep calling.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really had a lot of fun. I am so excited about this pair of shoes. I'm shocked. This is like my first big girl pair of shoes because I don't have any Travis Scott shoes or off-white shoes, so this is really exciting for me. Again, let me know if you guys got a pair. If you did, congratulations, and let me know what lot number you got.
All right, my friends, I'm popping back in here because I realized I promised I would tell you guys how I got exclusive access and I didn't really address it, so here I am. I don't know if this is actually why, but this is just what I did leading up to getting exclusive access, and I've noticed that I've been able to hit on certain shoes that I do this around the same time as, which is very weird, and I'm sure that maybe if you guys have noticed this as well, this maybe means something. I don't know. Anyways, so I was leading up to the shoe getting released, I was being very active with the app for the Travis Scott release, which was, I think, a few days before or a week before. I'm not quite sure. I was extremely active. I was going on every day. I was interacting with the content, so on and so forth. I always answer every single survey that is on there because they usually have little polls or whatnot. Always interact with the polls. Probably 4 or 5 days before the actual release began of the exclusive access of these shoes, I was not engaging as heavily with the content because I was, first of all, upset that I didn't get the Travis Scott ones and some other releases that I was really trying to get. I stopped interacting as much and I wasn't going on as often. However, I did interact with the original post explaining what the exclusive access would be like and the overall release for these shoes. So I did interact with that. I liked that post and I sent it, I think, to somebody. But besides that, I did not interact as heavily with the app for the 4 or 5 days preceding the release of this shoe. And I got a notification for exclusive access from Sneakers. So I hope that that helps. I have noticed in the past that if I'm really heavily interacting with the app, I will not win or get through the draw of certain releases. But if I stop interacting as much, like if I interact very, very heavily and then I stop interacting as heavily, I will usually get through on a release. So I hope that that helps you guys in some way. I'm not really sure if that is something, you know, that's actually true or if that just happens to be a coincidence that this is occurring for me, but I thought I'd share that information for you guys just in case it was something of concern. So with that being said, let me get back into the video.
Also, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up as it really helps me out. And if you want to be a part of my little family, hit that subscribe button down below. I have a bunch of other shoes to unbox and go through. I do some vlogs as well, all that fun stuff. So yeah, I'd love to have you here. And with that being said, I hope you guys have a great week, a great weekend, a great weekday, whatever day it may be. And I cannot wait to see you all in my next video. Bye!